Kung napakaliit ng hawak mo, sasabihin mo ba sa sarili mo na wala ka ng pag-asa? Napakaliit nito at wala ka ng gagawin, magmumukmok ka. You know what? I've seen a lot of people, including myself, na yung maliit na yon is an opportunity for you to know God more. You know why? Don't look at the smallness of what you have. Look at the God who gave that to you. And if you are faithful in that little thing that you have, you do something in order to serve others. And you keep on following that principle of serving others with a little that you have, building yourself up, building your experience by serving others, makikita mo, many years from now, when you look back, you will say to yourself na tunay nga, walang maliit, walang malaki sa Panginoon. Sa Panginoon, ang importante is anong gagawin mo doon sa napakaliit na hawak mo. Will you trust God who is big enough to help you? Or you will just focus on the little that you have and become hopeless? It's very important na yung attitude natin is no matter what we have, we look up to God, the bigness of God, and do something with that little that we have. Be faithful with the little that you have, and God will give you something bigger. You keep on following that principle, and makikita mo, you will have something big to manage.